What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about a sign that's been spotted on some Texas highways. I actually passed one last week. I thought it was kind of cool. But before I get this video started, it never fails. Somebody always asks when I do like an inside shot, why am I in this unfinished house? And that is because I was actually flooded 10 feet during Harvey, so I am still rebuilding. This actually isn't my room. This is my spare bedroom. I'm actually working on my room now, so I have a cool little camera area. I'll show y'all actually when my entire house is done though. And also, one other thing before I start this video, I will be going to a drag racing event. It's this Saturday, August 11th, I believe. It's actually being hosted by the West Houston Muscle. I believe it's called the Blast from the Past. It should be a cool event. I believe Online Car Show, he's going to be going too, so he's going to be taking his 1LE out there. We might race, who knows. I know that he is, I think he's on E85 now. The only change I've done since we raced is my drag radials, but as long as it doesn't rain, I will be going to that event. But to the point of this video, last week the Texas Department of Transportation, they actually tweeted out a tweet that exactly said, let me get this up right here. The tweet says, "We've heard many of you didn't know the left lane on a divided highway is a passing lane. After you pass someone, move to the right lane so you don't hold up traffic. Impeding the flow of traffic by continuing to drive in the left lane is punishable by a fine up to $200. And then you can see right there, there's a picture. I actually passed one of those signs on Grand Parkway last week. Now, if you go to the comment section, of course, there's going to be people for and against it. I can't actually believe how people were against it. But of course, there are people who want to support it, and I am one of those people because the left lane is for passing only. Even me, like when I'm driving on the highway or anywhere really, if I don't have to exit off to the left, I'm always getting to the right lane. I mean, I'll go to the left lane to pass somebody, but immediately after I pass them, I get to the right lane. If I run up on somebody else, I'll get to the left lane, pass them again, and really that's the way it should be. It reduces traffic and road rage because I can't tell you how many times I've come up behind somebody and they're driving 70 miles an hour, the person right there next to them driving 70 miles an hour. It's annoying, and honestly it's dangerous because as soon as the person on the left finally eases on past the person on the right, you're gonna, zoom on past to the right just to get past them, just to get back to the left lane. So driving slow in the left lane causes road rage. Now, I've read the comments where people are saying how, if the speed limit's 75, you're gonna go 75, you're not gonna get a ticket for going 80 or anything like that, and if you're gonna go 75, hey, that's perfectly fine. Just do it in the right lane versus the left lane, because the left lane, like the sign says, is for passing only. I mean, listen, I don't care if you're going 1,000 miles an hour. If someone behind you is going 1,001 miles an hour and coming up behind you, you need to get over to the right lane. Let the people behind you go. And honestly, don't be petty when it comes to people passing you, because if you're petty about it, this is what can happen.
Mr. Jacobs. Oh my gosh, look out! Oh, wait, oh my god, hold on. And you know what? I bought a dash cam the other day and I got an on cam.
All because of an impatient Camaro. Okay, most of the blame goes to the Camaro right there, but y'all get the message. But guys, that will be it for today's video. I just wanted to make this video because I saw the tweet, I saw how it was kind of going viral, I saw a few people post it on Facebook, and I just can't believe how some people are having like mixed reviews about it. It's like, what's hard to understand that the left lane is for passing only. And it's crazy that people would even argue it because most states actually have laws on the books. And I believe the fines vary from like 85 all the way up to like $300. So just use the left lane for passing, stay in the right lane if you want to go the speed limit. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.